Hi, Kathy.
Right, Susan.
Fun.
So good to see y'all. Talk to y'all, actually.
Right?
Right, absolutely.
We just got to tell you again how happy we are that you actually were able to get on.
Oh, yes. Oh, girl, Jen, I am just so happy with the tribe and the whole, I'm just happy. I'm in a good place.
Well, good. So one of the things, like we just talked to Susan, was, by the way, Susan, Kathy, Susan.
I know. Hi, Susan.
Nice to finally put faces and names together.
I know. Isn't
Right?
that nice? I know. It's
And
like,
Susan,
I
I'm sorry.
no, it's just, I'm just so excited to meet someone. We've been talking almost every day now, or typing,
Yeah.
but I'm excited about this. Yeah.
And Susan, you're from
Michigan.
Michigan. Oh, that's so,
Michigan.
isn't that so awesome that we can all be
I'm-
together?
I know, it's fun. I know. This is great.
Okay.
And I just love listening to all of your accents. I have to say that.
So, Kathy, one of the things I wanted to ask you is, what brought you to Jen's Den Art Tribe? How did you find us, and what triggered your initial reaction to say, I want to join and I want to be a part of this?
I had been seeking, I had been wanting to I don't know, something that's been calling me to paint. It's just something, I don't know, just something need there, and I guess with this, virus going around, you're kind of trapped at home. And I don't know, I started looking, and I was, and I did try another group, but I don't know how I found you, Jen. I couldn't tell you. I really couldn't. It was just meant to be, as the Lord led me, because I saw the cow, and I thought, I'm gonna try this, and I don't know, it clicked when I did the pop-up party with y'all for this. Then I went back and I looked at your paintings, and they just clicked for me, and I'll be honest with you, it's more you and Michael also, your personality, your character and everything. I just love y'all, Jeff. I really do. Y'all real people, I can really, it's someone I'm comfortable. I'm sitting in my kitchen talking with y'all. So, I don't know. I just felt comfortable, with y'all, and but it's just been a need for me. It's funny because I living out in the country, I drive these roads every day, and I see cane fields every day when I'm driving to go to town. So, and I don't know, there's this old shack that's down the road, which I can't see it right now because the cane fields are grown. So I was looking for it today. So I was going to take a picture, because I can't tell you this. I said, Lord, I wish I had the gift to paint that. I don't know why. I'm just moved by this old shack sitting out in the field, and I'm always, Lord, I just wish I had the gift to paint. I drive this all the time, and it's funny, but today though, I'm like, I'm going to stop and take that picture. I was like, I can't find it. The cane fields are all grown right now. Well, one day I'm going to take it and send it to you. I'm going to put it on the, but I don't know. I guess he's answering my, my prayer that, he's leading me.
Yeah.
So
but,
now that you've become a member, how long have you been a tribe member, Kathy?
May, the 1st of May. Yes.
Okay, so almost 3 months. Yeah, 3 months.
Yeah.
July, almost. Yeah. So now you feel like you're confident enough to go take that picture of that shack.
Yes.
Paint it.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. I'm just not as intimidated when I started painting now as I was just 3 months ago, and I am starting to try to challenge myself, just different, paintings, and I'm trying. I'm not having heart palpitations like I did before. I'm like, if what's the worst that would happen, I can wipe it off or repaint it or whatever,
Yeah, exactly.
Because I am, and one thing I'm learning, Jen, and doing your paintings that loose way, I didn't realize how much in control of a person I really am. How much that's hard for me to let go, to do this loose painting. And I'm struggling with it. I'm not going to lie. And I love it, but I'm like, I don't know. Mine doesn't look like hers. It's like, but I'm trying.
And so Susan, I see you shaking your head when she made that comment. What are you saying? What are you thinking?
Oh, I am the same way. I love the look of loose, but I need things symmetrical. I need things balanced. So it's a struggle, but I love the look and I love the feeling. It's hard to let go and give up
It's
that
hard to
control.
let go. It's true. I know.
Well,
And
you're not alone in that, because when you join, one of the questions that I ask in the like when you have to join the Facebook group, one of the questions that I ask is, what do you want to learn out of this when you come in? Even in the free Facebook group, I ask that question. And that is one of the most common comments, is learning how to paint loose. It's like learning how to stop being so perfect. And
I think I channel my mom in some of that. Everything she did, it had to be symmetrical. If one thing goes up, the other side has to be balanced. And
yeah. But I read an article, because I've been reading a lot about that. And one article was interesting that this man, he's a painter, he was saying that it's actually a hard thing to do, because we're kind of brought up even as children, when you're coloring the lines. You're brought up to, that's just normal. It's actually hard to let go. Yeah, because I'm thinking, oh yes, I can see that, because I was very greedy with my coloring book. If you didn't stay in that line,
Right.
I didn't want you coloring my coloring book. It's like, I'm very controlled. It's got to be, and I'm trying to change that, but it's not easy.
And it's like that in schools too. It's all about making that 100 and being perfect.
Exactly. Yes. But and that's another thing that I feel like I'm getting better with also, the clouds. I'm getting where I'm not as intimidated anymore. I'm getting better. That's a big plus for me. So it's been the best of therapy. I have a friend, I'm trying to get her to join, and she was, I was trying to explain to her what I get out of it. I said, it just takes you away from everything that's going on in the world today. I can't change what's going on. And my television is literally never on anymore. Never.
Yeah.
I used to watch the news all the time, rant and rave and everything else. And, it's funny because people have to tell me now what's going on in the world, because it's like, I just tune it out. I paint. Kathy's in her happy place. Just, it really, but I tried to explain that to her. I said, it's just, I don't know. It just gives you a peace when you're there. I lose track. I lose track of time. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, oh, God, I forgot to eat today. I'm painting. I forgot to eat.
I never had that problem. I never ever had that issue.
Well, I always
so
catch
that's
up
a side benefit.
Right? Yeah. And Jen's Den Tribe helps you become healthy.
Yeah.
So Susan, you can kind of see a little bit of that as well. It puts you in that place in which you can be emotionally, I guess, at peace and well.
Yes, it does. I actually, when I woke up this morning, I started painting, because I didn't really necessarily want to work because I had an appointment. So, but I actually find I dream about painting now, or in the middle of the night, I wake up thinking, oh, I want to do this, or I want to paint this.
We could do it again.
For us, and I just love watching you guys.
Well,
Oh,
thank
thank
you.
you so
We
much,
will
Susan.
keep y'all entertained, I promise.
Great.
It's all real. We're not hiding anything.
No script there.
Oh no.